Hi Colorado, this is Cleet Crocker, your home appliance guy. Hey, you think it's too late to get Christmas deliveries done? Do you think it's too late to come in and buy that kitchen and have it installed before Christmas? I tell you what, it's not too late at Appliance Factory. I'm here today at one of the Appliance Factory stores. They're about to open in about an hour. Let me tell you something, it is not too late. When you go into Appliance Factory, ask the team there about same-day delivery. They have lots they can do. Things can happen to make sure that your Christmas dream comes true. And do you think Black Friday's over? No way! Black Friday's not over. Black Friday's just begun. Right now, they're in the Black Friday year-end clearance mode. So there's tons of savings going on. Let me just read you a few. Here's some right here. Up to 50% off Whirlpool and KitchenAid refrigerators. Those aren't cheap refrigerators. Those are great refrigerators, and they're doing up to 50% off on them. How about this? 30 to 60% off dishwashers. I know they have a GE really high-end dishwasher. It's usually up there around $1,000. They're selling it for $499. I'd come in for that. How about ranges? Pick your range. Several of the ranges, 30 to 60% off. It's a great deal to get cooking. You know, everybody's coming in, and cooking's really important right now. How about this? You need a new microwave over that range? 30 to 60% off microwaves. Here's another one. Front-load dryers, front-load washers, $499 each. That's a really good market-breaking price. How about high-efficiency top-load? Well, you know what? They have that for $599. That's a really nice premium top-load, not the cheap stuff, the really nice stuff, down as low as $599 each. And then how about this? You want something a little more gifty? How about a wine cooler? How about a refrigerator? How about the compact refrigerators? How about the beverage centers? They've got those for 30 to 60% off, and there's thousands of them. So that's right. It's time to get a delivery done today. You can have these delivered today, and it's also time for more Black Friday pricing. Thanks.